Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. How are you? Hope everyone's doing well this Saturday morning. I am here for a project for Saturday Morning Makes. It's an open collaboration with Jill Norwood here on the YT. Thank you, Jill, for this. It does help you keep your creative juices flowing and to keep you thinking about something that you want to do that you've been working on all week. So I had showed you in a prior video this cutting die that was at Tuesday morning, and I thought it was so cute. So I said, I'm going to pick that up and try to do something with it. And so I'll hook that video on so you can see what other things Tuesday morning is beginning to have. But anyway, love this one. And this is what I made. It's a little vignette box. It's a little vignette box. I put the bowls here, the rolling pin, used the gloves, and maybe a cup of flour. Added a little coffee bar. This wasn't exactly in that little die set. It was another little die set I had. This is the steam coming up from the coffee. This was in another little die set. It was the plate. And I add the spatula so you can scoop your eggs and put it on there. But I thought this little vignette bar this little vignette set using this die set came out pretty good. And I used the blues and everything. And this little box was, you know how we buy those little wood chip things from the Dollar Tree? Well, this is the one I found at the Dollar Tree. I took all those out because I usually store them in something else. But I didn't want to throw the box away, so I painted it black and put some paper back there that looked like brick, and just kind of made myself a little vignette bar, a little vignette that I'm going to use. I kind of like these. I'm really having fun with playing with different kinds of things to do in my craft room, and this little die really did give me some ideas, and I have a couple of other things that I want to do with it, so you'll probably see it a couple more times. But tell me what you think of my little vignette in my Saturday morning make, and I will hook Jill's channel so you can see what things she makes for Saturday Morning Makes. If you follow the hashtag satmornmakes, you will be able to see what all the ladies across the YT are doing and all the things that everybody's working on for Saturday Morning Makes. So we're busy all week. We finish them up. We put them up for Saturday Morning Makes, and this is mine for this week. So thanks for joining me. Glad you could be here, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye now.